If you're experiencing approval delays on Netflix, there are several steps you can take to expedite the process. Follow this guide to help resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Identify the cause. Determine the reason for the delay by reviewing any communication from Netflix. Check for missing information, required documentation, or any specific feedback that may have been provided. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Compile all relevant materials that may be needed for the approval process. This could include scripts, production schedules, or any other documentation that supports your submission. Step 3. Contact support. Reach out to Netflix's support team for clarification on the delay. Use the official contact methods provided on their website to ensure your inquiry is directed to the right department. Step 4. Follow up regularly. If you do not receive a timely response, follow up with the support team. Regular check-ins can help keep your request on their radar and may prompt a quicker resolution. Step 5. Review submission guidelines. Ensure that your submission adheres to Netflix's guidelines and requirements. Double-check that all criteria have been met to avoid any further delays in the approval process. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve approval delays on Netflix. Stay proactive and organized to facilitate a smoother experience.